Hello everyone, my name is Baron. I'm from Blueguard. So today I will introduce our Simple W2, our wireless alarm systems. So for this Simple W2 is actually a plug and play system. It's an easy DIY system that you can install even yourself. So for this one, the system actually is without doing anything, those kind, for example, the wall hacking, need to go for the alarm cable. For this one, it's all about wireless. Okay, and then for this one, actually is without any money charges. So all you can do is take this item, you go back and you install it. So this is a Simple W2 starter pack. This is the basic item that all you need to secure your house. So let's unbox it now. Okay. So this is basically the inside. So as you can see, we provide this quick starter guide, and then we provide the user manual as well. Okay. Inside we have this the main control unit. Okay. As you can see, the size of this main control unit is something like my palm as well, my palm only. Okay, all you need to do is just place near to your internet router and plug in with this data cable, and also give a power supply for it. Okay, we provide this adapter, the power supply to power up the gateway, and then we do have our data cable as well to plug in with your Wi-Fi router. Besides, we also do provide these two door sensors. Okay. For this door sensor, as you can see, is pretty straightforward. And then all you need to do is just take out this tab inside, and then this door sensor will be functional accordingly. Okay. This door sensor will need to put at the front door, or maybe those window which is open or sliding as well. Okay. Then we provide this some double side tape, or also this screw, let you whether choose on double tape or screw it to make it more secure. So we also do provide these motion sensors. So for this motion sensor, actually to trigger the movement inside your house. Let's say somebody actually passing in your house, then the alarm system will be triggered. Okay, we do provide this the plugger as well. This plug to let you point down, or point out, or point left or right. Not to mention, we also provide the battery for the PIR as well. Okay. Then we have this our remote control. For this, we usually provide those senior citizen that does not know how to use those kind of app system. You can arm, you can do disarm. Or if you have a panic button, it's an emergency case, you also can press on this emergency, the alarm will be triggered. And this one is a recorder. Let's say if you have CCTV, camera, IP camera, and then you can press this one to record it as well. We also provide with the siren, our indoor siren. So inside this is a battery operated or power supply operated also can. We do provide this bracket to let you plug in on the wall. If you want to use the adapter, you also can. Right, so that's it. So move on to our installation. So I will now teach you how to use our simple wireless alarm apps. Okay, first of all, you need to make sure that our MCU is connected to your internet router, and then you need to have a power supply to activate this system. And then your tablet or your phone, you must connect to the same Wi-Fi router. Okay, then you go to the Play Store or App Store, download our app, Simple W2. W2 Simple by Blueguard. Okay, so what you're going to do, you just press the plus button, and then they will teach you how to use. First, you connect the gateway, we already connect. Second, you need to power out the gateway, we already power up. So after that, they will automatically search for the ID with the same Wi-Fi. So the ID will automatically search by this Wi-Fi. All you need to do is just give the MCU a name. So I just press on test. Okay, this is the name I give on this testing. Alright, so the test will be shown in your front page. You press on this one, then they will ask you to change to a new security code. So I will add a new security code on. Alright, so the security code has been changed. Then they will move on to this your front page. Alright, so as you can see, this is our platform. Okay, to activate those sensors, all you need to do is just take out the tab inside. Once you take out the tab inside, and then the sensor will be activated. Okay, quickly take out all the sensor, all the remote. Okay, so give the system a few seconds and then the system will be ready. So I will just simply try a simple arm and disarm. All you need to do is just press on this keychain button. Okay, the system will be armed. And then they actually have the 30-second bypass sign to let you get out from the house. Okay, so now the system has been armed, and then they will actually show you notifications. So for now, I will trigger the door sensor, and then later I will disarm it using our apps. For example, for this door sensor, let's say you put on this front door, and someone try to break in the front door, they open the door, and then the alarm will be triggered.
Your Blue Guard alarm system has been triggered. Your Blue Guard.
Okay, so I press on this button and then the system will be disarmed again. So now I'll be testing on this motion sensor. So I'll be armed again.
System has been triggered.
Okay, so just now I will trigger the motion sensor, and then this time the system already disarmed. Okay, so again I will try with using our remote keychain, the panic button. So for this panic button, all you need to just press hold at 5 seconds, and then the alarm will be triggered. And then later I will press.
Your Blue Guard alarm system has been triggered. Your Blue Guard alarm system.
Okay. So for this remote keychain, just now I press the panic button, the alarm will be triggered. Then to disarm it, just press on this key. They have an unlock button and the alarm will be disarmed. Okay. Okay, so inside we actually have this scenario. So what's so special about this scenario is that you actually can preset the door sensor or motion sensor that you wish to turn on. So for example, you just press on this button and then you can select it and then they will turn on accordingly. So for example, they actually have the default system, which is our partial arm, which is the door sensor is armed, but the motion sensor is not armed. This is a scenario that whereby that let's say you are in a house and during your sleep time, of course you want inside to be you will sometimes will wake up and walk around to have a drink or what. So to arm, you only arm on the outer layer, for example, a door, and then this motion sensor will be not arming. This is what we call the partial arm inside our wireless security alarm. So besides that, we also can look through this event record. Okay, so as you can see, they will show you that all the past record trigger, arm, or maybe triggered by door sensor, triggered by motion sensor, they will record the time and also date. Okay, so roughly this is basically how our wireless alarm system works. So yeah, so that's all for this today introduction. Thank you.